Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play the 120 FPS gameplay in the POCO X7 Pro device. So if you're having the POCO X7 Pro and if you're facing an issue with 120 FPS not supporting in the gameplay, that is what I'm going to show you in this video, how to fix that issue right now in the 2026. And this is an issue which I've been facing for a couple of days, and through my subscribers, I got this information out how you can actually fix that. So thanks to one of my subscriber who actually mentioned this kind of trick how you can actually get the 120 FPS support in the Battlegrounds mobile game. But please make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and also don't forget to follow my playlist videos for the POCO X1 Pro. Every day I'll try to upload more and more videos on the POCO X1 Pro. Please make sure to follow the playlist for more information. So first thing, let me just show you how to do that. So first go to the settings application and scroll down to the apps. So once you're in the apps, try to select the show system services. So right now I selected the system services. You have to click on the show system services. Once you click that, click on the battery. Just type battery and performance. Go to this battery and performance and try to clear the data. As you can see, after going to the battery and performance, try to clear the data. So once the data has been cleared, so now try to close the Battlegrounds mobile game and try to open the game again. So you should be able to play the game at 120 FPS without any issues. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate right now. Because in the beginning, if you watch this video, you can see definitely I'm getting 90 FPS at that time. But after following this small trick, I was able to get 120 FPS without any issues on the POCO X7 Pro device. Let me to show you exactly what FPS I'm getting at this moment, and let's enter the match. So right now we are entering the match and we'll try to show you the real-time FPS. Whether we are getting 120 or the 90 in the POCO X1 Pro device. Right now the game is starting at this moment, not bad. And right now, as you can see, we got 120 FPS enabled. So before it was like 90 FPS only the game was playing, but right now we got 120 FPS supported. So in this way, you can actually increase the frame rates from 90 FPS to the 120 FPS in the POCO X7 Pro device. So this is a way you can actually do that. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below, friends. And don't forget to check the playlist videos for more information on this POCO X1 Pro and the POCO F7 device as well. My playlist videos will definitely give you the clear idea about what's going on between both the phones in terms of the performance or the battery or other aspects of both the phones. So right now we are getting about like not bad, good FPS, 120. But only the thing is that battery will drain quite fast if you try to use a 120 FPS. It's like draining up to 18 to 20% for 1 hour of time. That much of battery is draining for 1 hour of time in the POCO X1 Pro device. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, more updates. So this is a quick information how you can actually play it 120 FPS. Right now, because of the low battery, I think the frame rates are kind of quite dropping. Let's select the wild boost and let's see. In the wild boost, definitely you'll be able to get pretty good consistent performance in the POCO X1 Pro device. So for this, how you can actually play, guys, with the 120 FPS in the POCO X1 Pro device, how you can actually boost from 90 FPS to the 120 FPS. So I did do the battery draining test on the POCO X1 Pro versus POCO F7 device right now during the 2026. How the battery draining is happening after the update. So make sure to check out that video for more information between the POCO F7 and the POCO X1 Pro as well. Both phones I did upload side by side comparison. Try to check the video, you will be able to understand much better between the both of the devices. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next time, more updates, and bye.